Okay, we're going to take a look at some of the I/O patching that's available, input-output patching that's available on this unnamed Tascam TAC board. Each of the 12 channel strips features individual effect send and receive, so unbalanced insert patch points. There's also a fold back on the receive jack, so you can patch out to your effects unit, and then where it comes back in here, you've got a way to send that on out to something else. You also have an additional pre-fade, pre-EQ, pre-everything. This is post head amp or post line amp stage, usually, at least on like the M520, which there's a lot of things that are very similar on this board with that as far as the input output. So you've got that additional pre-fade out. Each channel features a bus in and bus out, and I don't know if that means if these are insert points for the bus masters or what. We also have direct out jacks, and then you have an additional output that is parallel with the bus out. The bus out levels are at either -10 or +4, and then you've got your line inputs, line 1 and line 2 inputs, and then your mic input right there. So all 12 channels are the same in that regard. And then we move down here to the master section, and we've got, I'll just start up at the top left, control room out, right and left, and then an auxiliary set of jacks for those, so 2 sets, switchable 0 dBu or -10 dBV. Here are those extra inputs I was talking about, right above each other. This is extra 1, which can be let's see, yeah, that has to do with the echo returns. So stereo, and then you've got foldbacks for those, extra 2 foldback. Here are your phono preamps. You've got in and out on both of those. Then you've right below this control room out, you've got your studio out, same thing, set of auxiliary jacks for that, again switchable either 0 dBu or -10 dBV, and same with the monitor section output. You have another stereo output for that, and also switchable for the output level. Here's your stereo out, same thing, set of auxiliary jacks for that. And then here's the echo return, 1 and 2, foldback jacks for those, 2 jacks for the tone generator output. The extra in jacks are switchable between 0 dBV, +4 dBu, or +8 dBu. And then the stereo out bus also has balance jacks that are switchable either +4 or +8 dBu. We've got a multi-pin power supply connector on a Molex type jack, and as I mentioned in another segment, no power supply at this point. So that's what we have for input and output options on this thing.